Here is how you can block FaceTime calls on the iPad. Let me show you exactly how it would work. If it's your first time being here, make sure you subscribe so you become part of the community, and that way you'll never miss anything important. Okay, so essentially there are two ways how you can block it. Like you can block calls on individual level. Like if you receive unwanted calls on FaceTime, you would be able to open it up within the app. And if there are some people which have been contacting you, you would see them right here. You can hold down on it and either click on like report spam. If it's like completely unrelated, you can tap on that and it's going to give you the ability to either block it or block and report. So if you can, if you only want to block it, then tap on that. If you also want to report it, then there is the option as well. But if you want to stop FaceTime being usable on the iPad, generally speaking, in that case, you can go to the settings app and find the screen time section and just go ahead and proceed to the content and privacy restrictions. And there are going to be some sections which let you limit various different features. And there is also going to be the allowed apps and features. When you go there, you literally have the ability to stop FaceTime from being usable. So you literally turn off FaceTime across the whole iPad. So the icon is going to disappear from the home screen and it's just not going to work as a feature. You will not find it in the settings, and it doesn't matter who called you or what's up with the situation. You will simply not have any FaceTime access at all. So I think that this is a feature or something that a lot of people are interested in. So let me know if you managed to find what you needed. I really hope I can help you out. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot. And I'm going to talk to you later in the next videos too.